How to update address or personal info on Citi account. Hello guys. If you would like to update address or change your personal info on Citi account, you may follow up the steps. So what you can do is you can just basically head over to citi.com on your browser, open that up on your screen, and once you are on the screen, you will be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now, once you are there, you may just head over and look out for the login option, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it, and when you tap on it you will be finding the section within where you need to provide in your username and password in order to log in into your account. Now once you are logged in, what you can do is once you are logged in into Citibank, you will be finding all of your details about your city bank, like your account details and everything. You need to head over the section for updating personal information. You may just select the specific information that you want to change, for example your address or your phone number or your number, email, etc. When you find contact information section and follow the instructions to enter the new details. After that is done, you can just go ahead and review your changes and confirm them to save the updated information, and that way you can update your address or personal info online. Otherwise, the easiest way you can do is you can directly head over to branch nearest to you. You can head over and find the nearest Citibank branch and gather the necessary documents such as proof of address and identification, and inform the bank representative that you want to update your personal information and follow the instructions, and go ahead and fill out any necessary documents and everything. And that way also you can update your address or personal info on Citi account. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this method if you would like to update address or personal info on Citibank as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.